Hello, everyone. This is a beautiful day, and I'm here to talk about dreams and how I make my dreams come true. I want to reveal one of the biggest dreams in my life that just came true last week, and how I make my dreams come true, my top secret ingredients. But before we get to that, I created this channel to talk about family constellations. And it is for you who is seeking for self awareness and self knowledge, trying to understand a little bit more about family constellations and how this powerful tool can help you awake with consciousness by identifying and solving problems. So, my name is Daniele Storti, and I'm a family constellations facilitator. Let's start. Before giving you my top secret ingredients, I want to reveal what was my dream. Yes, here I am in Canada. And last week, my family and I just received the letter approval for our permanent residency. Yes, now we can live here in Canada permanently. It was one of my biggest dreams for many years, and now here I am. It looks like a simple dream, right? But it was not. It took us many years of dedication, studies, planning, and years giving up other stuffs to make this dream come true. So now I want to give you my top secrets for making your dreams come true. It helped me make my dreams come true, so could help you as well. So my first top secret is don't tell your dreams to anyone else. Could be your dreams, projects, goals, whatever you want to call it, but don't tell anyone. And when I say anyone else, I literally say no one, even to your shadow. I'm kidding. You can tell to your shadow, but don't tell anyone. In my case, I used to share my dreams only with my husband and my son. So I even didn't tell this dream to my parents until it got true. Why? Because when you talk, you spread energy, and you might attract envy against you, and this is not what you want for your projects and your dreams, right? And in my case, I even didn't tell my parents because it's not because they are against me. I know that they are happy with my success, I know that they are happy with my accomplishments, but I just don't like to spread energy. I don't like to tell when the dream just come true, literally, because they might be happy with my success, but at the same time they didn't want me living far away from them. So, and also you might talk to people that they are not on the same page as you, right? So this is something that I used to do. I don't tell anyone until it comes true. So, second is self awareness. You need to work on your self awareness. Self awareness will help you to know what you want, what you don't want, what you like or dislike, where you want to be, what are your desires, what are your dreams. Some people doesn't know, some people don't know what are their dreams because they just dreams other people's dreams. So then self-awareness is a powerful thing that you need to know, and it's just going to bring you benefits in your life. So in my case, family constellations helped me a lot, helped me to understand my past, my feelings, who I am, what I want, my traumas, overcome my traumas and my feelings from past. And I did a lot of constellations for myself, and as well as a facilitator, I learned about life with other people's stories as well. So I understand a little bit more about complex relationships, family, and everything. So self awareness is something that you really need to go forward because it will help you. It only brings benefit to you and to your life. Self awareness also leads to my third top secret, which is focus on what matters. When you have focus on what you want to accomplish, it doesn't matter if it's your dreams, your goals, if it's related to your career, to your personal life, to your personal relationships, to your loved ones, it doesn't matter. Focus on what you need to do and what you need to do to get from point A to point B, right? And when you know where you need to focus on, you don't spend energy on something that it's not going to benefit you or it's not going to help you to get there. And you don't waste your time. So if someone asks you to do something that it's not going to help you to get there, and you can say no because you don't want to waste your time, right? You can focus on even in a small things. Doesn't need to be a big dream like mine, but could be just small ones, and you will start with the small ones. Even, for example, your daily to-do list. When you focus on to complete your daily to-do list, at the end of the day you feel like, I can do it, I deserve it. So these are also powerful words that you can tell to yourself. I want, I can, I conquer, I deserve, I'm blessed. These things, these little words can change your life. So, my fourth top secret is make a list of your dreams or goals or projects, whatever. Make a list, write them down. You can do like a journal, a diary. You can even write a letter to yourself and ask someone to send by email to you in a few months or in 1 year, and see how much you can get done until there. Or if you don't like a letter, I personally like letters. I like to receive letters. And imagine you are receiving your own letter in 1 year from now. But you can also schedule an email and send this email to you in a few months. And then when you read it, because when you write them down, it looks like you are registering them. You are making them real. And you can also use the something that I used to do a lot is visualize your dreams. Like focus on your end line and visualize them. Visualize like you are already there or it already happened. This is a life change. Usually, sometimes I used to close my eyes and I just visualize what I want and where I want to be or what I want for my life, and it happens. It just happens. Okay, so my fifth top secret: if you know who you are, what you want, if you work on your self awareness, and if you write your dreams down and you know where to focus on, be brave and make the right decision for you. When you know all these things, you know where to go. You know how to choose the right path for you. Trust your heart. Your heart will never trick you. Your mind might trick you, but your heart never trick you. Trust, trust it, trust yourself, and you will see the difference that this can make in your life. Finally, and it's not the least one, it is also important, don't feel guilty when you accomplish everything that you want. Be happy and celebrate your success. Don't feel guilty. Most of the time, people used to feel guilty because someone else close to them did not accomplish as well. So don't feel guilty because everyone is responsible for their own. So I see most of the time, especially in family constellations, we see a lot of the time people feeling guilty because their parents, for example, couldn't do it, or their brothers, or anyone else close to them. And most of the time, when you feel guilty, you sabotage everything that you accomplished. You sabotage everything that you reached out to. And this is not good. This is why you need to work on your self-awareness, because you will be able to be happy and celebrate your success without feeling guilty. These are my top secret ones. This is how I work in my life to make my dreams come true. So I have many others. I told you this, like the one of the biggest ones in my life, and more than happy is impossible to be. So now you can share with me your dreams here in the comments in the comments in this video, but don't tell me if you are not there yet. Just tell me what you already accomplished. What was it? How long it took to get there? And just keep as a secret if you have other ones that is still on your way. Thank you for watching me. Hope this is helpful. And if you also want to share other tips that could help me or anyone else here watching this video, I will be more than happy to try it. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.